Oh my goodness, the power's gone out. The power's gone out and I've got all these extension cords and I don't know what to do with them. I need to get lights on in my house. And you're gonna love your new Generlink transfer switch. It's the safest and fastest way to bring power into your home during an emergency. You're gonna plug in your generator, power your essentials, and take care of your family. Now I know we're all really excited to get this, but before we can ship this out, you need to contact us here at Hutch Mountain. Installation throughout the country is different. Sometimes the utility company installs it and sometimes a licensed electrician installs it. But don't worry, we got your back. We're here to help. Reach out to Hutch Mountain and bring on the power outages, baby, because you and your family are prepared.